temptation, or are you gonna stay in the game?
Do I want it or no?
Yeah, run.
Hey, finally here! Hi guys, welcome back to Tannerites!
And today I am giving my siblings a chance to win the little bunny ball.
I'm definitely gonna win
getting him
this.
back. I am getting him back. This is the game. I'm getting him back. The game is
mine.
we are all staying inside this square.
The way that I am gonna help out with this game is I have 5 temptations. I have 5 boxes and they have awesome prizes inside. So you can choose to choose a prize and get out of the game, or stay in to win the baby bunny.
I'm winning him back. Winning him back.
So one more way that we're going to play this is we are going to, along with Sarah's temptation boxes, along with Sarah's temptation boxes, we are also going to have some games. They're all going to be playing the game, and the one that loses the game is automatically out. So it's going to go like this, guys. Game first, temptation box, game, temptation box, until the last one is in the square, and you win the baby bunny. So as of right now, Allie, hand over the baby bunny because it is no longer yours.
Okay.
Oh, he's so
Unless
cute.
you win. He's so precious.
Look how, Sarah. Sarah's allergic to it. There's the baby bunny. He's so cute.
Who's ready for the first game?
Me!
Okay, you have to choose a square on the edges, and you're gonna hop on 1 foot, 1 revolution around the right, and 1 revolution the left way. Ready?
Okay.
Set, go! Good job, guys. Gigo, you're doing so good.
Whoa, almost out, Lizzie.
I'm gonna
Stay
fall.
inside the square, guys.
Okay, that's more than a full
Turn around,
revolution.
Turn around, go the other way. Turn around,
Can
go
we
the
switch
other way.
feet?
Oh,
almost,
you're doing
Gigo.
So good. Oh, come on.
Can we switch feet?
Gigo is holding on to me. Good job, guys.
That's like 3 revolutions.
Oh, everyone stayed in the game.
Whoa, nice work. That was pretty close. That was too easy.
That was easy.
So, it's time for temptation round. Grab your best temptation, Sarah.
Choose a name.
Oh.
And this person gets to choose. All right, let's see. The first person is Allie.
I knew it was gonna be me.
Okay, Allie.
Do I get to see like what's in the box first?
Nope.
You have to guess. Do you want to take this temptation, or do you want to stay in the square?
Can there be bad things?
Well,
There are no bad things. These are all good things.
I'm gonna stay in. I still want to keep the bunny.
Guess what gets to happen now? We open the temptation box,
Oh.
and anybody in the square gets to choose if they want to keep it and get out this time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Who wants to open it? Let's let Allie open it and see what
Okay,
she
Allie.
lost out on.
You will.
By the way, you don't have a chance to jump out now.
Dang.
Oh. I'm jealous. Look at all this candy. Oh, this is
I want it.
Why did I miss out on this?
Okay, I cannot help it, but I'm gonna have to keep it.
Oh, she's out! Out of the square!
That was only 1 round.
She's on the very first round.
That's a second.
Time for game number 2.
So there's like these cute heart candies and these XOXO candies. Then there's this. But I didn't get the bunny. But that's okay. I got this step. Good luck, everyone.
Round number 2. Game number 2.
So this is how the game, we're playing Duck, Duck, Goose. I am the gooser.
gooser.
When I say Duck, Duck, Goose, the person who's the goose has to run all the way around everybody without getting out of the square.
Oh.
It's not you, I'm just telling you how it plays. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone has to sit down.
In a circle.
Yep, as tight as you can. You have to leave space for the goose.
That's
All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Duck, 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 goose.
Oh, run!
Run, everybody.
Oh, Don't get out. Don't get out. Back to your spot. Oh, he's gonna go twice. Oh.
You did so good. I thought you were gonna get out.
One more time.
One more round.
Okay.
Duck.
Good duck.
Duck.
Duck. Good duck.
Good duck.
Duck. Good.
This is gonna be difficult. Run, I have to run? Yeah, run.
That was so close. You were right on the edge of the pink. So close. It is time for temptation number 2. Lizzie, do you want to draw the name?
Yes.
Okay, Lizzie.
Wait, where's
Yep.
my name? Oh, if it gets my name, I take it out.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Let's see, who is it?
Who is it, Lizzie?
Oh man,
All right, Danielle. This has an amazing prize inside. Do you want to take the temptation and get out of the box, or do you want to stay in the box?
I want my bunny back. So I'm gonna pass on the temptation.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Do you want to open it up?
Open it. Let's
Here we go.
Oh man, it's probably something like amazing.
What is it?
Oh, here is it.
Might be my
Don't get out of
Oh!
So, let's give it back.
Yep,
let's put it back in the box. Unless somebody wants out of the box.
Someone want to go out?
You want it? Are you willing to go out of the box for it?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Canyon is out.
It's a Raffles. It says, your furry best friend. It says, pet me, I giggle and purr. My eyes light up with my mood. I'm opening this up. Good luck, guys. I'm happy I'm out.
Only 4 left.
4 left. We got
The
this.
next game is Ring Around the Rosies, but you have to spin while you do it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Ring
Around the rosies, faster. Pocket full of posies, faster. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Oh, Savannah, you almost went out. You almost went out. Allie. Oh, Allie is so close.
Turn the other way.
Other way now.
We wait a turn.
Ring
Around the rosies, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Oh!
I'm so dizzy. She cried on my own. She's like, yeah.
Danielle, Allie and Allie go down. She got out.
Wait, did you really push her?
No. I tried to grab her. She tried to grab onto
Oh.
I got so dizzy I fell.
Okay, so we have 3 out and 3 still in. Good job.
I love this part. Temptation time! Let's see who it is. It is Savannah!
The temptation, or are you gonna stay in the game?
Do I want it or no? I want it.
You do?
Are you serious?
It's $50.
Are you serious?
Yes! I want $50. Yes! I'm so happy I took it.
Put his foot outside the square. He was spinning it.
Uh-oh. Did you really? You... Oh!
You just won the game. I just got out by putting my foot out, not on any game or boxes. That's fine because I get to play with the little stuff.
Gigo, show me what it does.
Daddy, look at does this. Whoa!
So cute.
He's happy when his eyes are green. Yeah.
we don't have any more games left, but don't you guys want to see what's inside the other boxes? $50, are you serious? Ready? Danielle, back in the circle. It's not a circle, that's a square. People, that's a square. Back in the square, Danielle gets to open it.
All right, Danielle. Let's see what the fourth temptation was.
Do I get to keep it?
Maybe. Let's open it and see.
What is it?
$100!
Are you serious?
Okay, let's see what the last temptation was.
Okay, the last temptation.
$100.
Oh, I want that. What is it? What is it? Whoa, it's an iPod! An iPod! That's so cool! Can I get a keep?
Whoa, Danielle. And
Hey, Danielle, I'm changing the rules. Since you won and everybody else got out, you get to keep those 2 prizes and the baby bunny.
oh wow, Danielle got her baby bunny back.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give us a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, again, comment down below of what we should name him. We still don't have a name for him. We love you guys so much, and subscribe if you haven't already. We love you as always.
You are worth it! And I eating cookies. Goodbye.